My name is Mahmood and I am from Jamaati region. My question is, how can we show Hudam the importance and benefits of giving Chanda?
You see, Allah Ta'ala says,
My name is Mahmood and I am from Jamaati region. My question is, how can we show Hudam the importance and benefits of giving Chanda?
you see, Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that you should spend in the cause of Allah. If our chanda is being spent for the cause of Allah, then we should try to give it. If not, then we should not. Right? So make your Khudam realize that whatever we are going to spend, it is going to be spent in the cause of Allah Ta'ala. For the betterment of our community, for printing literature, running our day-to-day expenses with regards to our office work, and other Jamaati programs, right? Without money nowadays you cannot do anything. And even during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, even the previous prophets, they used to ask for chanda. This is why in the Holy Quran, it is in the second verse, Surah Baqarah, second surah. In the beginning, Allah Ta'ala has asked us that you should spend in the cause of Allah. So if we believe that what we are going to spend, to give, is going to be spent in the cause of Allah, then people will happily give their chanda. And if they think that if you collect chanda, and Mohtam Amin Sahab, Sadar Sahab or Nazim Sahab Ummi and Mian Athar Mahmood is going to use this chanda to enjoy their Nando's and pizzas, then they will not give. So make them realize that whatever they are going to give, it will be spent for the purpose of spreading the message of Islam and for the betterment of our community. You cannot run the affairs of even a small club without money. You have to contribute something. So here, this is why we have to contribute something to run our affairs. Right? We prepare a budget, and the proper detailed budget is prepared. It is the budget discussed in the Amla, National Amla, if it is a national budget, and then Shura also discusses it, and then they send it to me. Then I also see that the way my budget has been prepared is very nicely prepared, and nothing is going to be spent without any purpose. Then, after approval, after a long discussion and deliberation, then you approve the budget, then you should pay for that.
Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum.